Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to cancel automatic payments on Xfinity. Open the website xfinity.com, then click on Sign In. First, enter your email, mobile, or username. Next, enter your password. Then click on Sign In. Once you're signed in, you will see a profile icon at the upper right side of the page. Click on the profile icon. On the side menu, you will see an option for billing. Click on Billing. On this page, scroll down to the bottom. Under Bill Settings, you will see an option for Autopay. Click on Autopay. At the lower part of the page, you will see a Turn Off button. Click on the Turn Off button. Then a pop-up message will appear stating what will happen if you turn off Autopay. To proceed, click on Yes Turn Off. That's how you cancel automatic payments on Xfinity. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.